Hi guys, so are you ready to draw with me today? Today we're going to draw a realistic human brain. So let's get started. So this is also going to be one of the Halloween drawings, and if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get a video every single day, because I release a video every single day for you, and these are really easy drawings to do. So it will only take about 5 minutes for you to complete this drawing, and you don't need much. You just need a pencil and an eraser or a Sharpie and whatever the color mediums that you want to use. So for this drawing, I will be using color pencils, and if you want good quality color pencils, please check out the links in the description box below. I have few for you, and Arteza links and some Amazon links, so check those out if you are interested and wants to buy some good quality art supplies. So as you see here, I just drew the outline of the brain first, and I'm going to add in the details later on. Now I'm adding in the bottom part of the brain, the muscles. So add those in as well as you go with me. So everything is there for you to add the details later on. So when you draw the outline first, it becomes very easy and you know all the proportions, so it becomes easier to draw the rest of it and make it look good. So draw these with me. So did you know that 60% of the human brain is made of fat? And your brain isn't fully formed until you're about 25 years old. And the brain capacity, unlike a computer, is considered to have virtually unlimited storage capacity. Also, another fun fact is the spinal cord is the main source of communication between the body and the brain. So you see now that I'm adding in the muscles for the bottom part of the brain, and so I'm adding just lines. So you can do the same, and then the top part we'll start adding the brain, that worm-like shapes. So I'm going to show you exactly how I drew it step by step, like I'm doing here. I'm not going to fast forward it or anything, because if you want to follow the same way as I'm drawing it, you can do it. It looks like it's round and actually looks like a brain. So you can follow along with me and draw it the same way, and then I will show you how to color it as well. So if you're liking this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for me. And if you have any requests for me to draw for next time, please let me know in the comments below. I will draw that for you and show you how to draw it as well. And if you want to send me your drawing to get featured in my next video, please send it to my Facebook or Instagram accounts. Then I will get them and I will feature them in my next videos. I love getting your drawings and getting your requests as well, so I can show you how to draw them and feature your drawings in my videos. So let me know. So keep drawing lines like I'm drawing here, then you will be drawing it in no time, because it's just curvy lines that you have to draw, and then it will look like a brain. And then the black lines, you can make them distinct and make them darker colors when you're coloring it, because they are like gaps in between the material of the brain. So now you see that it's very easy to draw. It's just once you have the frame of the brain, like the shape of the brain, adding in the middle details is very easy. You just have to get the outer shape, and then everything becomes very easy. So I hope you're finding this drawing very easy. I would love to see your drawings of the brain as well. Let me know what you think of this drawing and how you like this video. And if I'm going too slow or too fast, let me know. And if you want more details, let me know of that as well. So I'm just going to show you when I'm coloring how to color each section. I'm not going to go into detail in coloring every single part of it, like I'm not going to show you the whole coloring of the drawing, but I'm going to show you how to color them, each part, the muscle area and the actual brain matter. So you will see how I colored it as well. And if you want me to go into detail of coloring in other videos or coming up videos, please let me know in the comments below. I will make sure to add more coloring into the video as well. So you just have to let me know if you are interested in it. And if you're interested in buying products after I colored this with this brain on, check out the Redbubble link below in the description box, and you will see some products with this colored drawing of the brain, and I hope you like that as well. And if you're liking this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get a video every single day. And I really hope that you find these videos very easy to do. I try to make it very easy for you, and for you to do it within a 5-minute time frame. And so now we are into coloring. So as you see, all the black lines, I made it darker with darker pink, and I'm going to lightly color the space with lighter pink. And I'm going to add a little bit of red here and there as well, and you will see in the full color drawing. And you can always use the full color drawing as your reference when you're coloring it, so you can use the same color pattern as well. And you can let me know what you think of that drawing as well. So the muscles, I'm going to draw them and color them in different shades of brown, so darker brown and lighter brown. When I look at pictures of the brain, it looked a little brown compared to the other areas, so I color them brown. And if you want to make it look more fun, you can use other colors as well, like make it multicolored or like rainbow colors, or like you can really make this drawing fun and add a lot of color to it, because it has these brain matter shapes, so you can add color differently for each section if you like. And so that's about it for the coloring. These are all the coloring colors that I'm using, and this is the final colored look of the brain. I really hope you like it. So I added a little background so it pops out of the page. You can do the same, like make it a little darker around the area. So if you like products, check out the Redbubble link in the description box below, and I put some next videos for you to check out. And please click on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. And you can also check next video playlist for the Halloween theme, more drawings. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye.